Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. Whether you're at home, studying, or relaxing, thank you for joining us.
Today, we're exploring two essential words, do and does.
These are both forms of the same verb, to do.
Understanding them helps you make questions and negatives correctly.
They're used in almost every English conversation.
By the end of this episode, you'll use both confidently.
Before we start, please like this episode and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
First, let's understand what these words are.
They're both present tense forms of do.
The difference is who you're talking about.
Do is for I, you, we, they.
Does is only for he, she, it.
Let's explore each one.
Word 1. Do.
Do is used with I, you, we, they.
The key idea is plural or I and you.
Structure. I, you, we, they, plus do.
I do my homework. You do well. We do exercise.
Uses of do.
Use 1. As a main verb, the action itself.
I do yoga. We do the dishes. They do their best.
Use 2. As a helper verb for questions.
Do you like pizza? Do they know? Do we have time?
Use 3. As a helper verb for negatives.
I do not understand. They do not agree. We do not know.
Use 4. For emphasis.
I do care. We do want to help. They do understand.
Word 2. Does.
Does is only for he, she, it.
The key idea is third person singular.
Structure. He, she, it, plus does.
She does yoga. He does his homework. It does work.
Uses of does.
Use 1 as a main verb with he, she, it.
She does her job. He does well. It does the trick.
Use 2 as a helper verb for questions.
Does she like pizza? Does it work? Does he know?
Use 3 as a helper verb for negatives.
She does not understand. It does not matter. He does not agree.
Use 4 for emphasis.
She does care. It does work. He does know.
The key differences.
Do equals for I, you, we, they.
Does equals only for he, she, it.
Same verb, different subjects.
The subject determines which to use.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Alex, do you exercise every day?
Yes, I do. I do yoga in the morning. Does Linda exercise too?
She does. She does running every evening. Do you like yoga?
I do. It does help me relax. Do your friends exercise?
Some do, some don't. My brother does weightlifting. Does your sister do any sports?
She does. She does swimming twice a week. Do you think exercise is important?
I do. It does make a difference. Does it help with stress?
It does. Exercise does improve mood. Do you feel better after running?
I do. Running does clear my mind.
Did you notice both words?
Do you exercise? Question with you.
I do. Short answer with I.
I do yoga, main verb with I.
Does Linda exercise? Question with she.
She does, short answer.
She does running, main verb with she.
Do you like yoga? Question with you.
It does help, main verb with it.
Do your friends exercise? Question with they.
My brother does weightlifting, main verb with he.
Does your sister do sports? Question with she.
She does, short answer.
Do you think? Question with you.
It does make a difference, main verb with it.
Does it help? Question with it.
It does, short answer.
Do you feel better? Question with you.
Both words used naturally.
Common mistakes to avoid.
Mistake 1. Using does with I, you, we, they.
Wrong, I does my homework. Correct, I do my homework.
Does is only for he, she, it.
Mistake 2, using do with he, she, it.
Wrong, she do yoga. Correct, she does yoga.
He, she, it always needs does.
Mistake 3, using does plus base verb plus s.
Wrong, does she likes pizza? Correct, does she like pizza?
After does, use base form without s.
Mistake 4, forgetting do or does in questions.
Wrong, you like pizza. Better, do you like pizza?
Questions need do or does.
Mistake 5, using does in negative with verb plus s.
Wrong, she does not likes it. Correct, she does not like it.
After does not, use base form.
Subject-verb agreement.
Who uses do?
I do, you do, we do, they do.
Who uses does?
He does, she does, it does.
Singular names like John uses does.
Plural names like John and Mary use do.
Do as a main verb.
When do is the action.
I do exercise. We do homework. They do chores.
Do as a helper verb.
For questions and negatives.
Questions? Do you understand? Do they know?
Negatives. I do not agree. We do not have time.
Does as a main verb.
When does is the action.
She does yoga. He does his job. It does wonders.
Does as a helper verb.
For questions and negatives.
Questions? Does she understand? Does it work?
Negatives. She does not agree. It does not matter.
Making questions.
Present simple questions.
Do, does, plus subject, plus base verb. Do you like coffee? Does she work here? Do they live nearby?
The verb after do does is always base form.
Making negatives.
Present simple negatives.
Subject plus do does plus not plus base verb. I do not smoke. She does not eat meat. They do not agree.
Contractions.
Shortened forms.
Do not becomes don't. I don't know. We don't have it.
Does not becomes doesn't. She doesn't like it. It doesn't work.
Very common in speaking.
Short answers.
Quick responses to yes/no questions.
Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Does she work here? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't.
Never say yes, I like alone.
Emphasis with do and does.
Making statements stronger. I do understand. Strong emphasis.
She does care. Very strong.
Stress the word when speaking. Real life scenarios.
At school.
Do you study English? Yes, I do. Does the teacher give homework? Yes, she does.
At work. Do you work on weekends? Does your boss travel often? Do they have meetings?
At home. Do you cook dinner? Does your brother clean? Do your parents watch TV? Detailed examples.
Daily routines.
I do exercise every morning. She does yoga daily. We do chores on weekends.
Habits and preferences.
Do you drink coffee? Does he smoke? Do they eat meat?
Work and jobs. I do marketing. He does sales. They do customer service.
Hobbies. Do you play sports? Does she paint? Do they travel?
Abilities. I do speak Spanish. Does he play guitar? Do you cook?
Household tasks. I do the laundry. She does the dishes. We do the cleaning.
School subjects. Do you like math? Does she study history? Do they take science?
Food and eating. Do you eat breakfast? Does he like vegetables? Do they cook at home? Entertainment. Do you watch movies? Does she listen to music? Do they play games?
Exercise and fitness. Do you go to the gym? Does he run? Do they swim?
Shopping. Do you shop online? Does she like shopping? Do they go to malls?
Technology. Do you use social media? Does it have Wi-Fi? Do they work?
Travel. Do you travel often? Does she fly? Do they visit family? Relationships. Do you have siblings? Does he have a girlfriend? Do they get along?
Health. Do you feel well? Does she see a doctor? Do they take vitamins?
Time management. Do you plan ahead? Does he arrive early? Do they meet deadlines?
Learning. Do you practice daily? Does she take notes? Do they ask questions?
Communication. Do you text often? Does he call you? Do they email?
Money and finance. Do you save money? Does she budget? Do they invest?
Weather preferences. Do you like rain? Does he prefer winter? Do they enjoy summer?
Pets and animals. Do you have pets? Does she like dogs? Do they feed the cat?
With names.
Single name, does. Does John work here? Does Naria speak English? Does the dog bark?
Multiple names, do. Do John and Mary work together? Do the children play outside?
With pronouns. Singular pronouns, he does, she does, it does.
Plural pronouns. I do, you do, we do, they do.
Special case, you always uses do.
Even for one person.
Negative questions. Don't you? Doesn't she?
Don't you like coffee? Doesn't she work here? Don't they know? Used for surprise or confirmation.
Tag questions. Adding confirmation. You like pizza, don't you? She works here, doesn't she?
Polite questions with do or does. Making requests. Do you mind if I sit here? Does it bother you? Do you have time? Common expressions.
Fixed phrases. How do you do? Formal greeting.
What does it mean? How does it work? What do you think?
Do versus make.
Different verbs. Do for activities. Do homework, do exercise, do the dishes. Make for creating. Make food, make a cake, make coffee.
Don't confuse them.
Practice patterns.
Questions with different subjects.
Do I need this? Do you want coffee? Does he know? Does she agree?
Do we have time? Do they understand?
Negatives with different subjects.
I don't know. You don't understand. He doesn't agree. She doesn't like it.
We don't have it. They don't care.
When to use each.
Always check the subject.
If it's I, you, we, they, arrow, do.
If it's he, she, it, arrow, does.
Simple rule.
Frequency adverbs.
With do or does.
I always do my homework. She usually does yoga. They never do that.
Position matters.
Asking about jobs.
What do you do?
What do you do? Asking about job.
What does she do? What's her job?
Common question.
Asking about activities.
What do you do in free time?
What do you do on weekends? What does he do for fun?
Asking for help.
Do, does, questions.
Do you know how to fix this? Does anyone have a pen?
Offering help. Do questions.
Do you need help? Do you want me to... Does she need anything?
Checking understanding. Do you understand?
Do you get it? Does this make sense? Do you follow?
Expressing opinions. Do you think?
Do you think it's good? Does she believe that? Do they agree?
Describing routines. Daily activities.
I do meditation every morning. She does her makeup before work. They never do that.
Talking about responsibilities.
Who does what?
I do the cooking. He does the driving. They do the planning.
Business contexts.
Professional uses.
Do you work in sales? Does the company offer benefits? Do they hire interns?
Permission questions.
Asking if allowed.
Do I have permission? Does she have access? Do we need approval?
Education questions.
Do you study daily? Does the school offer courses? Do students get discounts?
Health questions.
Do you exercise regularly? Does he take medicine? Do they eat healthy?
Social situations.
Do you know her? Does he attend parties? Do they socialize often?
Personal preferences.
Do you prefer tea or coffee? Does she like spicy food? Do they enjoy music?
Future plans.
Do you plan to travel? Does he intend to study? Do they want children?
Asking for opinions.
Do you believe in luck? Does she trust him? Do they support the idea?
Checking availability.
Do you have time tomorrow? Does the store open early? Do they work weekends?
Discussing abilities.
Do you speak French? Does she play piano? Do they swim?
Talking about ownership.
Do you have a car? Does he own a house? Do they possess skills?
Describing appearances.
Do I look okay? Does she seem happy? Do they appear tired?
Emotional states.
Do you feel nervous? Does he get angry? Do they worry often?
Making suggestions.
Do you want to try this? Does she need a break? Do they require assistance?
Confirming information.
Do I understand correctly? Does this mean yes? Do they accept credit cards?
Discussing frequency.
Do you often visit? Does she always arrive late? Do they rarely complain?
Comparing options. Do you like this one better? Does he prefer the blue shirt? Do they choose quality?
Past habits with used to.
Do you remember when we used to... Does she know what he used to do?
Making invitations. Do you want to join us? Does she plan to come? Do they celebrate birthdays?
Expressing concern. Do you feel all right? Does she need help? Do they understand the risks?
Describing character. Do you trust people easily? Does he tell the truth? Do they keep promises?
Quick review.
Do is for I, you, we, they.
Does is only for he, she, it.
Both are present tense.
The subject determines which to use.
As main verb, I do yoga. She does yoga.
As helper for questions, do you? Does she?
As helper for negatives, I don't. She doesn't.
As helper for emphasis, I do care. She does know.
Contractions, don't and doesn't.
After does, always use base form without s.
Does she like? Not does she likes.
Short answers, yes, I do. No, she doesn't.
Check the subject first.
Singular third person equals does.
Everything else equals do.
You now understand both completely.
These are essential for English questions and negatives.
Use them to communicate clearly every day.
If you enjoyed this episode, thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more clear lessons.
Leave a comment. Create questions using do and does.
We love seeing you practice.
Keep learning, keep practicing, keep building confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.